Welcome back to Automoto Network. Today, we're diving into a stunning fusion of heritage and innovation, the Renault R17 electric Restomod by none other than Ora Ïto. This is no ordinary car. It's a modern reinterpretation of an icon, blending the best of the 70s with cutting-edge technology. Let's take a look at how Renault and Ora Ïto brought this beauty to life. For those unfamiliar with the Renault 17, this car was a symbol of 1970s sports coupe design, sharp, angular, and undeniably bold. From the four headlamps to its frameless doors, the Renault 17 oozed confidence and style, selling over 92,000 units in its original run. But this Restomod takes all of that retro goodness and injects it with a futuristic twist. Working with French designer Ora Ïto, Renault draped the R17 in a second skin. Look at those clean lines and wider fenders. It's all about merging simplicity with complexity, a design philosophy Ora Ïto calls simplex.